Ugandan coffee tastes so dope. I don't know. Why does it taste so good? Okay, today's video. Recently I've been hearing this claim of design tools for non-designers. And for me, in the essence of that claim, the way it says it, I feel like it doesn't really add up to the context behind its literal meaning. Because imagine, like, think about it. Design tools for non-designers. So these are tools people who don't design use to design. But when they design, I think that's design, and it makes them designers. I mean, like, think about it. Like, how does it even really make sense? And today in this video, I want to understand what does that mean, or even is it that I'm late to the party of non-designer tools? So when I first heard of this, I thought maybe it's an opportunity for people who don't really know nothing about design to get to design, or maybe it's a marketing BS. We don't know. And as always, everything I want to research. I want to first understand what does this new concept that it feels like it's new in my life about. So I took it on Google just to find out what does it really mean. And the first thing that I landed on was this article that goes on to claim the 5 best tools for design that non-designers can use. And so I'll go ahead and read for you this article, but I usually don't do that. Just do it in favor of this video. So yeah, first thing first, when you open the article, it gives you like a brief introduction to the article that professionals will tell you that impactful infographics can only be created by skilled graphic designers. So I don't know what that really means. Whether does it mean that design is infographics? Okay, let's just go on with the article. Yeah, so but here's the problem. Like, graphic design is not a joke. That's true. Like, graphic design is really not a joke. So it goes on to say some businesses even go on to outsource professional graphic designers to produce outstanding visuals for marketing purposes. That's true, because that's how we earn a living. Designers, we do commercial work. Moving on, the author goes on to say that the good news is you don't need to be an expert to achieve that. Okay? Even if you ain't good at matching typefaces and choosing harmonious color palettes, there is a universe of easy-to-use graphic design tools that can help you to awaken your inner artist. Okay, that sounds right. Like, it sounds right that these are also graphic design tools. So people who use them, I feel like they're graphic designers. But then why do they say they are non-designer tools? We're still finding out. So on top of the list comes Canva, and here's the quick introduction of Canva to you guys if you're not familiar with it. When it comes to the best graphic design tools for non-designers, Canva rules. It stands on top, way up there for all non-designer tools. Besides letting you create your own visuals, Canva also has a design school where you can learn tips on how to create outstanding visuals. With Canva, you can create flyers, graphics for your blog. So I won't bore you with the entire article. One thing I'll point out that they have a premium plan that starts at 12. That sounds like a sponsored video. Okay, non-sponsored. The entire point of this article was to show you the top 5 tools, and I'll leave a link in the description for you guys to go check them out if you're really interested. But I'll move on to the next article. Let me see what comes up. So the next article goes on to say 6 life-changing design tools for non-designers. Surprisingly, Canva still tops the list. It comes in at number 1. So there's something about it I don't know. So in this article, they go on to say that Canva is a free design program that comes with hundreds of different document templates to choose from. It sounds like that article though. Do these guys copy each other? I don't know. Because if it comes at number 1 and even that article came in at number 1, I don't know. I don't want to say like these guys are lazy and copying each other's article. So yeah, there are much more tools in this article like PicMonkey, BeFunky, Snap. Bottom line, I want to go check out this Canva software because it stood out number 1 among all other non-designer tools. And for your information, I've never used this tool ever. This is the first time. First time, I'll just go sign up with my Google account. Just tell them I'm Zana. Suggest a password for me. So first things first, when you sign up, it takes you to this landing page which has a model that pop up, what will you be using Canva for? So it asks you, what are you intending to use Canva for? What am I using Canva for? What was it? Am I teaching? No. Student? No, I'm not a student. Personal? I think it's personal. It's really, really personal. That's why I'm here. Try Canva Pro for free 30 days. I don't want to do that. Let me just keep it. Maybe later. Start your first design. Remember, like the article we read said that it has some amazing typeface matches and harmonious color palette. So that's what I'm here to try and see whether its color theories and its typography is really up to standard. Not really like for designers, but for non-designers. If it is that top notch and it can compare and match with like pro software, that means it's a design software for designers, not non-designers. So first thing first, it gives you like some tool tips right there. Welcome to Canva. To start, choose template. Where is template? Okay. After using this tool, there are two things that stood out. Like, one is the user interface. So they made it so easy that when you first come to this platform, you can use it with ease, which I did actually. I don't know whether because I'm a designer, but literally this looks so easy. Like I can just look on the left and see everything aligned on the super edge here. In that, you get the point. Like there are tabs for everything: templates, images, elements, text, music, video, background. You can even upload your own. So I think that's why even they claim it being a non-designer tool. But the other thing also that stood out was the templates. So the templates make, I think, and build the entire platform, because people always just come and begin somewhere in the templates. But remember, even in pro softwares, we've been using templates like AF, man. Like we enjoy templates. Like even me when I was starting as a beginner, I always started somewhere. So it didn't require me to start from scratch. That's what this tool gives you. You can have there's a freedom if you want to start from scratch, but it's built on templates. I think even like pro versions just add you more templates. So I'll tell you for a fact that doesn't make it a non-designer tool because it begins from templates. Because there are people who still use templates even to this day. So of recent, we've seen editable templates from Adobe stock. So you download a template that can either work in Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop, and you just type in the body copy and change images. So it doesn't mean that this is a basic tool for people who don't know how to design. If you use it, still you're a designer. So the other thing I noticed was that when you're using these templates, you also need to put in some design thought to it. So for example, this template, it has two images and it shows you that you can change the images. So here's the thing, like pairing images is one of the hardest thing in design. So I don't think like it did any best role to help you on that here. I don't know whether you might go with their default images. Chances are you will stretch yourself to look for some images that work. So I don't think that really that only doesn't make it a non-designer tool. So bottom line, there's nothing like design tools for non-designers. I think that's some marketing BS to get you off your butt and start using these tools. But yeah, who knows? Like maybe this same tool might transition into being a huge professional tool for people who think they don't design. So I'll tell you for a fact, you need to be even excited enough that I'm telling you that if you use some of these tools, 100% you're a designer. Because when I read the book Creative Confidence, I came to a realization that everyone is a creative in their own world. Whether you're a doctor, whether you're some sort of engineer, you a creative, you a designer. Yeah, so for this video, I think that's it. I wanted to inform you. So I think we've cleared the space here that there is nothing like non-designers. If you use these basic tools, there is no difference from me who use pro tools. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll catch you in the next one because I'm really tired. I want to go sleep. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video, and I will link everything I've spoke about in this video in the description, so be sure to engage with this video and let me know what you think about design tools for non-designers. Are you a non-designer or you're a designer? Love ya.